to license it.
Meep meep.
Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a 1988 Hot Wheels Honda CRX. Mine comes in this rally car livery, a theme that I'll not totally do away with today. It shows the regular hallmarks of being well played with. I like the wheels, but I'm going to swap them out, strip this down, repaint it, and give it a new rally car look that's more authentic. This is a special buddy build that I'm doing today together with my friend Ricky from Irie Fix Diecasts. Ricky comes from Jamaica, he lives in New York City now, and I'm going to put a link to his channel in the description below because I absolutely love what he does. I want you to swing on by Ricky's channel and check him out, and be sure to get all subbed up and give him your support too, won't you? I'd appreciate that. 2 rivets are drilled out, and that means I'm able to separate the plastic base from the rest of the body now. It's a one-piece plastic interior, 2-seater race car with a minimal detail inside. I'll dress it up a little bit, though you won't see it super clearly because this is kind of a smoke glass windshield. And I'll tidy up those posts after I drill them out, just to ensure that everything goes back together perfectly well. I'm just doing a little inspection on the different parts now before I proceed. Everything's in good order here. The wheels pop out. Because it's a plastic base, I don't have to do any opening of those fasteners that hold the single axles down. I'm wearing goggles whenever I pick up a power tool or drill or a Dremel or grinder or sander, and you should too. If this is your hobby, safety comes first in my shop. You're also going to notice that I like to use my bench vise when I'm using a power drill, and here is a little portable vise just to hold the casting in place even while I'm using a screwdriver and screws. It's terrible when one of these slips and you can get a nasty gash on your finger. So take care, if you're just starting the hobby, to make sure you follow all the safety steps that you can. Only the metal casting goes into the paint stripping gel, and it will take between an hour, or sometimes I just leave it overnight and get on with some other business. It was a pretty quick job this time, as you can see. Recently, I made an announcement about my upcoming 1-year YouTube channel anniversary and getting pretty close to 1,000 subs, and I'm inviting you to participate in an all-Porsche invitational build-off, and I'm calling it the biggest diecast giveaway ever. Not because I'm giving away dozens of cars, you are. Everybody who participates gives away their car. This time, the date's March the 13th. You can sign up just by letting me know in the comments below, and I'll keep you posted with new information that's coming. I'd be thrilled if you would help me celebrate these 2 big milestones that are fast approaching. My more astute viewers are going to recognize a broken B-pillar in that casting, which totally slipped my attention until the paint application part, so I'll let you know I had to go back and do a little styrene repair on that, but better late than never in this case. Minimal detail work on the interior with the red seats and the steering wheel. And here's the look that I'm going for. I make my own water slide decals at home, and in this case I'm printing them on blue backed laser print decal paper. As you watch me apply those, let me give you a word about the insane engineering of these Red Bull Global Rally Cross supercars. Regulations limit them to 2-liter engines and 45mm turbocharger restrictor plates, which ultimately are the two factors limiting power. The engines produce about 600 horsepower and over 650 pound-foot of torque, rocketing these machines from 0 to 60 in as fast as 1.9 seconds. That's faster than any production vehicle, regardless of the price tag. So how do they achieve such mind-blowing acceleration? First and foremost, you'll need all-wheel drive and an absurd power-to-weight ratio. With a minimum weight of 2,921 pounds, including the driver and all fluids, the vehicles are carrying less than 5 pounds of weight for every horsepower the engine produces. All-wheel drive is obviously critical for maximizing acceleration, but it's also important that the engine torque find its way to the wheels with the most traction. To do this, limited slip differentials are used front and back. That's not all the science behind the speed. Ultimately, the power gets put down where the rubber meets the road, and BF Goodrich supplies their G-Force RCO2 Rallycross tires, which are developed specifically and exclusively for Red Bull Global Rallycross cars. The radial tires are molded slicks specifically designed for mixed surface events, so the tremendous grip these tires provide is the last mechanical step of getting to 60 in under 2 seconds. This Hot Wheels CRX was designed by Ryu Asada and debuted in the 2019 Nightburners mainline pack. It's based on the second generation CRX, which was manufactured by Honda between 1988 and 1991. This is the second Honda CRX made by Hot Wheels, the other being a modified 1985 model. I was a Honda man for many years myself, beginning with a brand new 1984 Prelude, and that was followed by a 4-door Accord, which I put over 350,000 kilometers on and sold it only because I was leaving the country. And that was followed by a series of Honda Civics, and I never had a problem with one of them. I love Hondas, and I never had a problem with this little restoration either. Let's have a closer look. It's all decals on top of the white paint job, as close to authentic as possible based on my Google image research. I found a set of wheels that looked the part, and I painted the spokes red on that to match some of the profile pictures I showed you. And I think it's been a nice transformation from what I started with to this finished product. I like doing rally cars, and I want to say thanks to Ricky for inviting me to participate together with him. It was a whole lot of fun, and remember to visit his channel and check out what he's doing from the link in the description. This one goes into a blister pack off to the Goodwill store as a gift for a little boy or a girl. Thanks for visiting my channel today and watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, please. A big thanks to all my subscribers, old and new, close to 1,000. If you're not one of them, get all subbed up today and help me reach that goal, won't you? I'd sure appreciate it. It's coffee time.